So I have already made a similar guide on creating Anki cards, but a lot of time has passed and I refined the way I do my Anki cards. Now it's more time efficient, simpler, and in my opinion even more effective. Let's get right into it. We will start with Anki add-ons. We actually need only one, it is AnkiConnect, and to install it you just copy this code here, go to Anki, Tools, Add-ons, paste this code here, click OK, close and open Anki again. Then click Tools again, Manage Node Types, and here click Add. Name it however you want, then click Fields, and you will have to add audio, image, sentence, definition, word audio, word+furigana reading, and word. Then click Save, and click Cards. In this field you will need to paste this text, then click Back Template and paste this text. I will leave these texts in the comments. Then click Save, and that's it. Now you will need to install Asbplayer and Yomitan. Asbplayer will allow you to use custom subtitles and export audio and screenshots from anime. And Yomitan will allow you to look up words very fast and export them to Anki as well. Now let's set up Asbplayer. First, make sure that Asbplayer is connected to your Anki through the AnkiConnect extension. Then choose the deck you want to mine your words with. Choose node type that you just created. For me it's sentence mine. And then just copy the fields like I have here. First is audio, then image, sentence, definition field, and word field. It basically mirrors your node type in Anki. You can click on these three dots and move these fields around or hide them. And that's it, Asbplayer is done. Let's move to Yomitan. So open Yomitan settings, go to dictionaries, get recommended dictionaries, and choose this one, Gtindex. Then scroll down and install JPDB dictionary if you want. This is a frequency dictionary and it basically allows you to see which words are worth mining currently. For example, you can see here the word yomu. Here is the frequency dictionary JPDB, and here it shows the rating of the word, which is 312, which is really popular. It's probably worth mining. Right, now go to Anki here, then configure Anki flashcards. Also choose the deck you want to use here, and the model is node type. Also choose the one you just created. Also copy all the fields like I have here. You can type right in them, or you can choose whatever you want from this drop menu. Here I have typed myself the audio, image, then sentence I chose from here, definition I also typed myself, audio you can choose from this drop down menu, then word+furigana reading also choose from here, and word is single glossary Gtindex also choose from here. Then close, and Yomitan is also set up. Now you will need to install the subtitles for the anime you are going to watch and mine words from. So you go to the website that is called Jimaku, and here I'll search Sakamoto desu ga. If you can't find subtitles you need for your anime on Jimaku, then go to kitsunekko.net. Here you click Japanese subtitles, Ctrl F or F3, and try to find your anime here. Now, like in previous guide, you go to a totally legal anime streaming service and find the anime you need. And now to start mining, you will need to drop the subtitles you just installed to the player. You do it like that, and now you're basically ready to mine your words. Sometimes subtitles are very out of sync, so you will have to sync them up with the audio in the player. To do that, you can click Ctrl and the arrows on your keyboard. This adjusts the subtitles here. To adjust subtitles, you just wait until somebody starts talking in the anime, and then you adjust the subtitles with the control and arrows until subtitles match with the audio. I'd also suggest to open this side panel to see where the subtitles are going and where they start, where they end. It just helps to in which direction you need to move them with the arrows. Alright, so let's try to mine some word from this subtitle. You hover over text, then click Shift, and here is your word, gym clothes. To add this to Anki, you click this green plus, then this book, to open the word you just mined. Here it is, you already have sentence, audio for the word with furigana and its translation. Now we will need to add the audio, image and definition. Now let's add audio and image from anime. You go back to the player, click mine here. It records the audio. You can stop it whenever you want. It also stops automatically. If you don't like how your audio recorded, you can adjust when audio recording starts and when it ends. And you scroll up here and re-record this audio. Awesome. And now click update last card. And you can see here that audio from anime and image added into your Anki card. Now the only thing that is left is definition. And I usually use DeepL translator. It's usually pretty good to translate the sentences. So you just copy the sentence here, paste, copy again, paste into Anki, done. It's really fast, really efficient. And now let's see how our flashcard turned out. Click here, preview, and look, you have audio, image, sentence, and on the back side everything is really pretty. Alright, that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them, I'll answer your comment. And also recently I decided to release my personal sentence mining deck, and it includes 501 flashcards. I made this deck in JLab style, which means there are 3 flashcards for each word, so in total there are 167 new words. I was only mining words that are in the top 10k of JPDB frequency dictionary. So if you want, you can buy this deck on my Patreon for as little as 3 euros. You can read more about this deck in this community post that I created. I'll leave the link in the description. Alright, bye!